This was our second month of weekly releases, and we had a lot of great features that came out. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of my favorites. The VS Code Agents window, now in preview, is a companion app that ships alongside VS Code Insiders. You can open it by clicking this icon that says Open in Agents Window. Agents Window is a focused environment built for agent-first development workflows. On the upper left, you see our sessions list, your past and current agent tasks by project with quick change stats. And at the bottom left, our customization controls, which by clicking on any of them brings you to the agent customizations UI, where you can modify agents, skills, instructions, hooks, MCP servers, and plugins. In the middle, you have your main agent chat, which gives you access to your prompts, seeing your progress, results, and where you continue the task. And to the right, you have your changes view with edited files, diff counts, and merge changes to apply updates. To learn more about the agent window, check out the docs over here. We've now added a new extension, Chat Customizations Evaluations, to help analyze and improve your chat customizations like prompt files, custom agents, instructions, etc. So once this extension is installed, if you were to go to one of your customizations, let's say, for example, this prompt file, now at the bottom right-hand corner, you should see an Analyze button. And when you click it, it will assess your customization file and gives you suggestions how to optimize it. So for example, you could see now these squiggly lines. So if I hover over this yellow one, it'll explain why this one is of some concern regarding cognitive load. And I can go ahead and just do a quick fix and it will adjust it according to how it thinks it should be. You can now configure thinking effort in Copilot CLI. Thinking effort controls how much reasoning the model applies to each request, which can help balance response quality and latency based on your needs. Previously, to engage with the Copilot CLI session, you had to be at the machine where you started it. But now, with remote control for Copilot CLI, it lets you check your progress, respond to approvals, and steer work from another device using github.com or GitHub mobile app while your Copilot CLI session keeps running in the background. And recently, we've introduced a new section on our VS Code docs website called Learn, where you get a lot of introductory courses on a variety of different topics. This month, we introduced topics covering agent foundations that covers introduction to agent-first development and also your first agent that you can create while watching the video, reviewing and controlling agent changes, and more. In addition, we also have the new course on customization, which covers the new UI that VS Code has for customizing instructions, skills, custom agents, hooks, and more. So definitely check this out. This is going to be huge because there's a lot more content on the horizon. So those were some of my favorite features for this month, but I really want to know what some of yours were. So go ahead and check out our docs and see what's come out. And also while you're there, check out the Learn section. Let me know what material would you want to see covered, and I will make sure that that gets considered. Thanks so much for joining, and I will see you in the next one.